Rebecca's Truth 444 back with another video. Another message just popped in as I made my way home. Buckle up, Buttercup. Things are about to start changing. I'm connecting with somebody that has been stagnant for a long time. You've been in the wilderness, my friend. You've been going through some stuff. But I'm speaking to somebody that's been doing a lot of work on themselves while they've been in hiding. I'm speaking to somebody that has been on a really long journey. And it's felt like for a long time that you were not getting anywhere. Well, this is your message whenever it finds you to let you know that things are about to take off. I can't tell you exactly when or exactly how, because that's your journey. Somebody needs to hear that the wait is over. You've been patient. You've done the work. We're always doing the work. We never stop doing the work. But the time is coming, my friend, for you to take off in whatever path you choose in your life. Be it a job, a life purpose, a relationship that you've been waiting for patiently. It is coming. You've earned this. You've earned it. The message is you've earned this. If your calling is to start creating content on social media, be it YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you want to do it, this is your sign to do it. I know that you can do it. I just feel like somebody is really, really lacking in confidence. And honestly, the first step is just to start. You've planned enough. This is for my people on the spectrum that like to learn, the people with autism, the people with ADHD that struggle to get your plans moving. I see you. I know what it's like. Sometimes you just gotta start. It's just a short, sharp message. It'll reach the right people. Sometimes words come out of my mouth before I can realize what I'm saying, so isn't that just the magic? Buckle up, Buttercup. It's coming. That's it. Love you. Whatever you do today, do it with style. I love that. Rebecca's Truth 444, signing out.